How are
Yes,
you?
I'm pretty good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm all doing also good. Seriously, it's morning time. I'm feeling too cold. Yeah.
Oh, so go in outside and take some sunrise, okay?
Yes, maybe. But after 1 hour, definitely I will go outside and take sunlight because it's need, in here. So anyway,
Mm-hmm.
please tell me about yourself. Where are you calling from, and what's your name?
Mm-hmm. So I'm Varsha. I'm from Madhya Pradesh, like MP, and in Jabalpur. And
Okay.
I'm teacher. I'm a teacher. I teach first to six. My subject is science and social science.
Mm-hmm.
There I always prefer to student while teaching.
Okay.
And I'm also fashion designer student.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing that both things together.
Okay, that's great. So what's your future plan?
What's my future plan? So my future plans is now, because in this pandemic I lost my job and so many things. So now my future plan is only one thing. I'm focused about only one thing now. Like my future plan is different. Okay. While my future plan is I want to help needy people. I want to help that kind of people they facing like problem like me. Okay,
Okay.
because there is a lots of teenagers. They don't know lots of things and they roaming here and there only.
Okay.
So like I also want to open my consulting, you know, institute and what to say like a consulting.
You want
Yes,
to become social work in future.
yes, yeah. I want to do social work. I want to do the social work. And but
Okay.
now what is my desire? I want to first I want to help myself and because otherwise I'm not capable to help other people.
Okay.
Yeah, if I first I become and I also become want to become master in this field, like I also want to speak fluent English. And after that, you as you know and we all know, this is a very huge problem in this India. We think if that person know English very well and that person is speak very good, so we are we get lots of things and there is so many doors while doing anything.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. You are
So
right.
this is my plan, not future and also still now.
Okay. Definitely, if you think, then definitely you will get a success. Okay. And you're doing hard work, like you're doing a two job. We can say, like, about your fashion designer and about teaching part, and your future plan is different. So this is awesome. And no anyone think about like to help people, So it's very important. It's very, like we can say responsibility, big
Yes.
responsibility to handle, like a people in future. So this is such a great idea. Just keep going,
Yes.
definitely.
Because because we really need to also serve about our nation, not only while we think about ourselves, always our family. We also think about our nation. But it is not only responsibility while policeman and some military officers and only for leaders. It's also responsibility of humans like middle class people and every people
Yes,
while
absolutely. Even
individual. Mhm.
tell me.
No, you say.
Like even I'm also like helping people. I'm learning also about English language, and like whoever beginner, so try those people try to learn English language. So always I support those people because I realize I know very well what is like important about English language nowadays, because I face a lots of problem in previous year, in previous month. Seriously, I face a too much problem. Then I realized it's very important in English language communication, and whatever I have I can share in front of people like you, like another, like a stranger. Always I talk like politely, just do hard work, definitely we will get a success. Always I try to motivate, always try to like help little bit, not more than, but whatever I
Yeah,
have
whatever
I.
you have, you are giving them. Yeah, that's
Yes.
true. because I also, while this journey, I also got lots of things and I understand. Well, if we don't know, so we lost our 3 and 4 and 5 6 months while roaming here and there only. And if you have good mentor, so that mentor to teach you right good way how to manage your time, how to do this thing, and a lots of things is while learning this language, you know.
Yeah, I mean, this
Mhm.
is just a language we can say, like, whenever we
Yes.
give a time. So obviously we will get a knowledge, we will get a fluency, we will get an idea how to talk, and automatically we will build a communication. Only for talking, only for speaking, we can learn each other. So always
Mhm.
try to learn. This is good way. And always I prefer to, like, if you don't have any partner, environment, atmosphere, then just come to Skype video calling, WhatsApp video calling. Video calling is good option to learning.
Yes,
It's very, very
and also
important.
gaining lots of confidence.
Yeah. Like our expression, our emotion, our pronunciation, our vocabulary word, anything we can learn in here. So it's
Mhm.
very important. And
Yes.
you don't believe me, like I started my journey since 3 months, 3 and 4 months ago. Then I was trying a partner who's interesting about English language. Then
Mhm.
I found like one of application, we can say, like Skype video calling. So
Mhm.
literally it's helpful for people whoever using a Skype video calling. So those people try to understand, oh, I see video calling is good option to learning a communication skill. It's very important. Many
Mhm.
people are using, so we can help each other. This is without any we can say, like, investment, without any
Without
you
any
know
investment.
yeah. So we can learn each other, we can help each other, we can understand each other. This is very important. So I'm helping, even I'm also learning from your side, like with stranger people. So I'm
Mhm.
learning, I'm gaining my knowledge, I'm improving day by day. So this is very important, just help for people, and get us some benefit you also, and you will share your idea, then in front of people, like, get a benefit your side. So this is
Mhm.
good way on.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
This is really true. But
Yes.
if I want to ask one question, okay, because there is so many people they want to know, while everyone, okay, because I talk with so many people, they ask me this question, like, what is the your way while learning this language? So many people asked me, and every people want to know. I don't know why it's happening. And so yeah, you also tell about your way.
Okay, why I'm learning? Okay, I'm going to clarify why people are learning English language. English
Mm-hmm.
is very important, our future, our career. It's very important. For example, if you go to outside for job purpose, interview purpose, like any kind of purpose. So over there, people try to talk communication English language, and very few people are using a Hindi and native. Very few people. But if you talk about all of there, over there is English language going on. And seriously, we are taking a study. We are doing a education. Okay, we are going to do a education. So okay, we have to understand English is just a language, global language. In
Yes,
future
right.
time, we can talk with foreigner, we can work in multinational companies. So over there, it's requirement, everyone should learn English language. It's very important. That's why reason people ask about, like, how to learn English, how to
Yes,
improve
right.
communication. But sorry, we don't work proper.
Mm-hmm.
We
Right.
always think about how to learn, but we do not struggle. We do not think about this is just a language. And if we practice more and more, automatically we will get.
Yes, right. Really, this is true because I also experience this all thing. And second question is, if someone asks you, like, what is the question?
Okay.
Mm, I'm not getting. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
it's happened. Okay, it's happened because whenever we think about, like, ask to ask to someone in front of, immediately that situation we will forget a question, a
Mm-hmm.
story happen,
This is true,
because
yeah.
it happens many time. Yeah. So do you remember?
No, I didn't. Please, you continue.
Oh, I see. Okay. So I'm going to tell like sorry for that because my mom she's making a you know breakfast, so that's why there is some kind of smell coming, and I'm doing a cup. Okay.